Why are you bothering the Chicagan pigeons?
Wait.
I'm gonna like stop and sob at one point.
Keep walking. Just.
That is me riding the bus by myself.
Your face.
Are you still filming?
Yep. No, I turned it off and then I turned it back on just now. We're by the wind. You'll have to like. You can just do a voiceover all this because the wind is so high.
Yep.
You can't hear anything we're saying.
Well, you're right next to the camera, so maybe. Oh,
I'm doing what?
Nothing.
What?
No, nothing.
Oh. I mean, what? I'm just kind of like absent-mindedly like holding it like this and
Yesterday.
And
Oh, that's gotta stop.
I know it.
Fucking illegals. Ducking ducks.
Fucking pigeons. No, that's a seagull. Or is that a pigeon?
Nope, it's
That's a seagull. Fucking seagulls, man.
Flying rats.
I don't even know what those are. Hold on.
Seagull.
I just wanna. Where'd it go? There it is. There it is. There it is. There it is. The wind is blowing the camera a little bit.
What?
I'm just filming this bird. And I'm gonna go get it.
Are you satisfied?
What?
Are you satisfied?
I am. Feels good. Are you still filming?
No, I just started filming again.
Oh. Okay, go. No one's gonna be able to hear you.
We found the bean. I'm extremely underwhelmed.
No, you can't hear that.
We found the bean! This is underwhelming.